Do you feel energetically out of balance, scattered, or disconnected? This guided meditation is designed to harmonise and align all 12 chakras within the Psychic Reiki system, helping your energy flow with greater ease, stability, and coherence. And we start our chakra balancing at the Earth Star chakra. This energy center forms the foundation of the entire 12 chakra system and allows the higher frequencies to integrate safely and comfortably. Take a slow, deep breath and allow your body to relax. Allow your mind to become quiet. Allow yourself to become fully present. Breathing in peace, breathing out tension. Breathing in harmony, breathing out effort, and relax. Silently or out loud repeat, I call upon the Divine Presence. I call upon Archangel Metatron, overlighting presence of the Psychic Reiki system. I ask to be surrounded with divine light, divine wisdom, and divine love. May all balancing take place for my highest good, and so it is. Become aware of a magnificent column of golden saffron light surrounding you. The light extends from the heart of Mother Earth to the infinite divine source. Within this sacred column stands Archangel Metatron. His presence is calm, powerful, loving, wise. Allow his energy to surround you now. You are safe. You are protected. You are supported. Bring your awareness to the Earth Star chakra below your feet. See it glowing with rich ruby light. Feel it becoming perfectly balanced, neither overactive nor underactive. Steady, strong, secure. Feel yourself deeply connected to Mother Earth, balanced and grounded. Bring your awareness to the base chakra. See this center glowing with beautiful, vibrant light. Feel stability and security returning. Balance your connection to the physical world. Balance your ability to trust life. Balance your sense of belonging. All is well. Bring your awareness to the sacral chakra. See this center becoming balanced and harmonious. Your emotions flow freely, neither suppressed nor overwhelming. Creativity flows naturally. Relationships move into harmony. Giving and receiving become balanced. Bring your awareness to your solar plexus. See this chakra radiating balanced golden light. Your personal power is aligned. You no longer need to control. You no longer need to surrender your power. You stand confidently within your truth, calm, centered, empowered. Bring your awareness to your heart chakra. See emerald and soft pink light radiating outward. Balance love for yourself with love for others. Balance compassion with healthy boundaries. Balance giving with receiving. Your heart becomes a center of harmony and peace. Bring your awareness to your higher heart. Feel this beautiful center expanding gently. Balance human love with divine love. Balance earthly experience with spiritual wisdom. Balance compassion with discernment. Feel yourself becoming a bridge between heaven and earth. Bring your awareness to your throat. See this energy center glowing with balanced blue light. Balance speaking and listening. Balance expression and silence. Balance truth with kindness. Your authentic voice flows freely. Bring your awareness to your third eye. See indigo light radiating from this center. Balance intuition and logic. Balance vision and practicality. Balance inner knowing and outer action. Trust your inner wisdom. Bring your awareness to the crown chakra. See a beautiful violet-white light. Balance spiritual connection with earthly living. Balance divine guidance with practical action. Balance wisdom with experience. Feel yourself connected to Source. Bring your awareness to the causal chakra above your crown. Allow divine light to bring perfect harmony to this center. Feel serenity, peace, inner stillness. The noise of the world begins to fade. Only calm remains. Bring your awareness to the soul star chakra. See it shining brilliantly above you. Balance your soul's purpose with your everyday life. Balance spiritual growth with physical experience. Allow soul wisdom to flow effortlessly into your human journey. And now, bring your awareness to the stellar gateway. See a magnificent portal of pure divine light. Feel perfect balance between yourself and the infinite, between heaven and earth, between spirit and form, between being and becoming. Now see all 12 chakras illuminated within the great column of light, from the Earth star below your feet to the stellar gateway above your head, each energy center spinning perfectly. Each chakra balanced, each chakra supporting each other. The entire system functioning as one harmonious field of consciousness. Archangel Metatron now places his hands above your energy field. Golden geometric light begins flowing through every chakra, every layer of your aura, every level of your being, balancing, harmonizing, integrating, stabilizing. Allow yourself to receive. Repeat silently or out loud, my entire chakra system is balanced. My energy flows freely. I am grounded and connected. I am aligned with divine love. I am aligned with divine wisdom. I am aligned with divine truth. Every part of my being works in harmony. I am balanced. I am centered. I am whole. And so it is. Take a final deep breath and feel the balance settling into every cell. Feel the harmony flowing throughout your body. Know that this balancing continues for your highest good. Archangel Metatron remains with you, helping to stabilize and strengthen your connection with divine light. And when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back into this present moment. Peace, harmony, balance, and divine blessings. If this light transmission touched your soul, please like, comment, and subscribe to support this sacred channel. Sharing helps more people discover this gentle power of healing and transformation. Tap the bell to receive updates on all new meditations, insights, and affirmations infused with angelic light and higher consciousness. Thank you for walking this path with me. You are the light, clearer and more at peace than ever before.